Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to deposit money in Just Market. So this is going to be a step-by-step guide and I will show you how you can do this. First of all, you have to just go to Google, search for Just Market and click on this first link here. Now you will ask to get login into your account, right? So you have to log in. You can see this option of login on the top right side corner. Just go and click on login. Then it will ask your email and password and then you can log in into this account. Now once you log in into your account, navigate to the deposit section. Right, so here you have to register into your account, right? And you will also get this option of Just Market client here, and the deposit option is on the main menu on the sidebar, but you will not able to see this option until and unless you just register for any of the plan here. So this is a standard plan, pro plan, and the raw speed. So here you can see there are different kind of advantages and benefits you will get, so you have to register for any one of this option. Now after that, you have to choose from this available deposit method. Just Market accepts various option trading including credit, debit, and local bank transfer and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. The minimum deposit amount is typically $10. You can see here, right, for the standard account, but this may vary depending on this account type. Now, depending on your chosen method, you will need to provide relevant payment details. For example, if deposit via Bitcoin, you will need to enter your Bitcoin wallet address. Review your details and confirm the transaction. The processing time for most deposit is usually within 30 minutes for card and bank transfer, while cryptocurrencies deposits can be instantaneous. Right, so this is it, and if you found this video very informative, make sure to like this video, subscribe.